Yeah, and so we are finally inside Diesel Gorge. Some call it Diesel Gorge. And it's taken a while to get up here, but we've enjoyed an amazing hike. It's rained over the last 24 hours, and it's amazing just how the vegetation responds to even a little rain. And so we're just going to do a quick 360 from within the gorge here. And yeah, the vegetation is completely different to what we've experienced. The vegetation is a lot more dense, definitely much bigger trees. Um, and yeah, so enjoy the 360. And so we've come up from that general direction, and we're going to be we will shortly exit the gorge in the opposite direction and take an alternative route back to the entrance of this um, Heidelberg Nature Reserve. It's a fantastic place. And I was just chatting to a fellow hiker, and he was telling me that you get a lot of foreigners that own properties um, in this general part of the province. Um, of course, you've got Somerset West here, and you've got um, Strand and Gordons Bay. And yeah, those would be ideal places um, for those who would own holiday homes um, in this part of the province. And so, yeah, this is a hike or a nature reserve that would be very much accessible um, and within close proximity of Strand and Gordons Bay and places like that. And so you get markings of the trail there just so that, just to help you find your directions. Because, yeah, it's you can easily get lost um, in some parts of the trail and especially inside the gorge here. But whether those markings serve any other purpose, I cannot say with certainty, but they certainly would help um, in finding one's way. And there's almost like a natural staircase just appearing there. We're going to be heading off that way shortly. Yeah, and so this is Diesel Gorge. Yeah, one of the conversations we've enjoyed here is just um, how God created all this, and so we give thanks to God for His creation and made just perfect for human habitation, and all of which points back to Him. At the end of the day, He's created all this, and it's through His creation that we get to know of God's existence. But of course, God has also revealed Himself uh, through His Word, which is uh, God's special revelation um, to mankind. Hi. And of course, it is a public space. I mean, as much as I've enjoyed a lot of almost like privacy here, but yeah, it's here for everybody to enjoy. Of course, some will want to leave a almost like a permanent marking of their presence, and presumably just to leave a mark of their presence here, and just to tell somebody that they were here. And so, Helderberg Nature Reserve, um, just speaking to one of the staff at the entrance to this place, is administered by the city of Cape Town. So, with these nature reserves, they either fall under the jurisdiction of the city of Cape Town or sand parks. There's a third authority that the name of which has just slipped my mind. Um, but yeah, there's three main authorities that the nature reserves fall under. And one must say that all the authorities just do an amazing job in terms of maintaining these nature reserves in the pristine conditions that we get to enjoy them. And so, yeah, that's basically what Diesel Gorge is like. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to be heading up that staircase shortly. And thanks for watching and for listening. God bless.